design is less weird. It's basically a normal Atlas crossover SUV up to the B-pillar. Volkswagen then lengthened the MQB platform to accommodate both the rear doors and a bed that's a bit over 5 feet long. Basically, VW borrowed from Honda's Ridgeline playbook. In total, the Atlas Tanoak is nearly 16 inches longer than a normal Atlas. VW did make some tweaks to the styling up front, including the new grille with big embossed Atlas name below, new lights, taller hood, and some off-road equipment. It has skid plates, tow hooks and a winch too. The bed also gets a sliding rail for carrying items over the roof similar to the Ram Macho Power Wagon concept and the Mupper accessory rack system for the new Ram 1500. The Tanoak has plenty of ground clearance too at a total of 10 inches.